episode. Yeah, here's Rundel Technology. We teach more about tech, more about money making, videos, and a lot. Yeah, so on today's episode is not different from others episode. So today's episode is not different. Yeah, so on today's episode, I want to show you how I made 2,500 cedis from TikTok with only 1,000 followers without even going live. How I made 2,300 cedis from TikTok with only 1,000 followers without going live. Yeah, a lot of people are on TikTok doing a lot of stuff. Some people are there just to make fun. Some people also are there to make money. And one thing about Ghana and TikTok, Ghana, if you're in Ghana and you post videos on TikTok, you will not make money from it unless you go live and people shower you with coins. Then you can make money from the coins. Yeah, but in my case, I haven't go live before. I don't know how to go live and be like, oh, send me coins. Nah, I don't do that. So my own thing is the business I'm doing right now. So I'll be doing videos about the business I'm doing right now. Then I'll post the videos on TikTok. Yeah. So people will be watching the videos, and when they need my service, they will chat me, and we'll work from that. Yeah. So these are some of the chats down there. You see, yeah. So they will take my number and they will chat me, and we will continue from there. So, and second thing is, before we go straight to my phone to show you how I made the money. Yeah, I'm just want to like pinpoint the key things you have to do first so that you can make money on TikTok without going live. And one thing is, yeah, I always add my affiliate links to my bio. Yeah, like this. Yeah, I always add my affiliate links to my bio. So when people click on the bio, the links on the bio, and register through my affiliate link, I will get a commission from it. So these are some things that I do to make money on TikTok without going live. So no time to waste. We will go straight to my phone screen, and I will show you step by step how to make money on TikTok without going live with your small followers. Yeah. So no time to waste. Just watch me, join me, my phone screen, and let's do from scratch. I'm out. My phone screen, yeah. So welcome to my phone screen. So I want to show you how I make 2,000 plus on TikTok without going live with my small subscribers or followers. Yeah. So as I've already told you, yeah, I always do videos about my services. Yeah, and then I post it on TikTok. So when people watch and they need my services, then they chat me. So something like, I've opened my TikTok. I want to show you the views I got on TikTok. It's not enough, but at least I make money from there. You see, so I make a video about my product, my service and things. Then I'll post it on TikTok. So when someone needs my service, then he or she will chat me. Yeah, because I have my numbers in it. Yeah, and my bio. You see that I've wrote how to save and exchange USD to cedis and make daily profit. Then this, so someone go watch it. Someone who is interested in exchanging USD to cedis will go and watch it. And when like he needs my help, he will chat me. Yeah. So example of the chat is like, let me go to my chats and show you some of the current chats from TikTok today. So let me open the chart and show you something. You see, so they'll be like, I saw your video on TikTok teaching how you could make money online. Yeah. So then they will tell like, okay, then I want you to show me, or can you introduce me to, yeah. So then when the business go through, then I'll mentor the person, and and I'll charge him for my services. Yeah. So that's how I do it. Yeah, I have never go live on TikTok before. So I advise and everyone using TikTok that like they should use that app to promote their services, their products, their works, everything. Yeah, because you don't know who's watching your videos. So when you post that thing over there, when someone needs the product or your services, he or she will chat to you and you make business with the person. So I plead to all my viewers that if you have some business, just open TikTok accounts and promote that business on TikTok, and it will yield a good results for you. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. The next time we're the same. I'm Ken Rice and I'm out. Yeah.